My name is Matthew Shinault. I'm the NDT Operator at Star Center Tube. I've been here for a little over a year and a half. My job is to inspect the tubes to the quality standard before sending them downstream to our internal or external customers using ultrasonic or eddy current testing or both. We have a work list that we go off of. Sometimes we have hot orders coming down the line that our SBM or GBM will come out and let us know in advance. But most of the time we go off the work list looking for any expedite 9s, 8s, or 7s. Those are priorities, and then from there, just what the necessity is of the customers. There's 3 types of testing that we do here at Star Center. Eddy current, which is electromagnetic, UT, which is ultrasonic, and then we do portable UT, which is with a handheld guide probe that we use over the weld seam, and just a weld seam.
This is the readout from the rotary inside of here. Eddy current, UT. Eddy current creates magnetic field. This uses ultrasonic sound waves to go into the tube. Where we're running all 6 channels. As the tube comes through, that's creating the electromagnetic field around there, looking for defects.
One of the challenges we face is high reject rates, and that is material coming in from our suppliers that do not meet the standard. And so we have to segregate that and then create lab samples, cut those lab samples turning into the lab. My team usually helps me with that because it affects everyone. No one can move downstream whenever I'm having to stop, cut samples, things like that. We're not running the exact same material every day, different size, different testing requirements. Things are just a little bit different, and there's always new challenges to overcome. Success in my role is doing my job accurately and making sure that I don't cause problems for anyone else in my area. Webco is employee focused, they're product focused, and they're trying to build a family-like culture. So my team is a good team. It's built on individuals who have a lot of knowledge that we can pull together and help each other out. Some guys are newer, some guys have been here for a while, but we usually do pretty good about staying fluid and filling in the gaps where needed.